Hi everyone, Mike Lusio here. So what is tiny, cute, and we can see large? If you answer me, you are not wrong. I'm joking. But today we are looking at the Canon 10-18mm. Cute little lens, but you can see large. That's why it's an interesting lens to be able to go to the 10mm APS-C, of course, AF and MF, so autofocus or manual focus, and with stabilization. EF-S, not really great for the stabilization, but not great because you can adapt with a speed booster. You cannot gain one stop of light. So who is this lens for? Or what is this lens for? What is this lens for? First, landscape and architecture. If you want to have the buildings, everything in the frame, in focus, and to vlog like this. Alright, but if you film outside, you need to have a ND filter to have a little tone, you know, the background, it's a little separated. If you film at 10mm with the step-up rings, it will vignette hard, so you need to stop down around 12. If you want to film at 10, you can, but now you have to stop down f9, less tone, less bokeh. That's great. You can do it like this to vlog, you know, and you see everything in the frame. So yeah, it depends what you want. So great lens to vlog, everything is in focus. This lens is great for music videos too, to have this unique look, to not have the straight lines, you know. You can see a little distortion, but not a massive distortion. And what you can do too, to put it like this in a bike or a car, action style, and it's cheap, so if it breaks, you know. So yeah, architecture, vlog, music videos, all right. That's a great lens for the price, 4.5, 5.6, it can hurt. But for a wide angle, is it a 2.8 really worth it? for me, no. I can live with a 4.5, 5.6, especially outside because of the daylight. For me, it's not a problem, and for video too, you must put an ND filter. So 2.8 for the close-ups, for the really close objects. With the 4.5 indoors or in the night, you must have a lot of light. That's the downside, to have extra lights like this, to be able to see, to have this nice crisp and sharp image. That's a cute little lens for the price, you know, because mine it's a second hand, but it's like new, so alright, that's great, because nowadays the companies don't make a lot of EF lenses. Now it's specific, you know, E mount, X mount, L mount, RF mount, but not anymore EF mount, cheap and a great affordable lens like this one. If it's a new lens EF, it's a very pricey, because of course you can adapt in almost any camera. A little sad, but very light and compact compared to the 18 to 135, much heavier. What was great about this lens for video, the focus ring has stops. This one you can turn indefinitely. That's a little down too. For video outside, I shot 18mm on the Canon, and then on the Sigma at 5.6, the same exposure. You can't really tell the difference. For the 10mm, that's a great lens, and you have the possibility to go to the 18 budget lens. It does the job, you know, to have this wide field of view. You can put it on a crash cam, you know, you can mount it on a bike or on a car. That's a really great lens to have. As I try the zoom lenses to be more near the animals, to be closer, sometimes it's not bad to step back and see all the picture, all the landscape, because sometimes we are too much focused on one thing and we can't see all the picture, all the stuff around. So that's not bad to see all the great and beautiful landscape. That's an amazing lens for that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. And until then, don't forget to enjoy. Worth it today. Alright.